How to reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings on Samsung Galaxy S26 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. From here, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Next, scroll down and tap on General, Management. Then we scroll down and tap on Reset. After that, we scroll down and tap on Reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. Now go down to the bottom and tap on Reset Settings. Here's the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings reset. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Once you reset the Wi-Fi settings, you will need to reconnect it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.